Hey, what is good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a game pass on Roblox for absolutely free. All you gotta do is just follow my simple steps. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, you want to search for roblox.com. And here, you want to press create. In here, you want to go to creations. Right here is going to show you all the experiences. Then choose the experience that you want to make the game pass in. For me, I'm going to choose this one. So here, now it's going to take me to this page. Here, I want to go down. Then over here, you want to see monetization, then passes. Click on pass, then create a pass. You can name it anything you want. Let's say I want to name it Instructify. Then give it a description. Keep it as simple as possible. Then you want to press create. Then click on the one that you just created again. Then go to sales. Then here put the item up for sale. Then select the amount of Robux you want to sell it for. Let's say I want to put it up for 60 bucks. Now, Roblox only gives our creators 70% of what they earn. So, let's say if I put it up for 60, Roblox is going to take a cut and only give me 42 Robux. Then you want to press save changes. Then you're going to see the pass has been successfully created. If this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help. And I'll see you guys in the next video.